Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And 2023, we have beautiful weather and we are in front of Triumph. So we have the opportunity to test ride first bikes of this year. Where to start? Triumph, English, classic. So we have a couple of choices today. We have Triumph Tiger in front of us, which is bright category between Africa, GS, and everything what you need for traveling, for heavy duty, for the off-roading, and something which will get you really far away. I'm looking forward to try Triumph Tiger. This is 900. We have also 1200 right here. Look at that beast. This is something that you have to have the respect to. This is an incredible machine with the Triumph very famous engine, 3-cylinder engine. Speaking about the engines, for you who don't know, the Triumph is actually part of MotoGP world. They actually are producing the 765 engines, which are used in Moto2 category. That means that the Triumph itself has a lot of experience with racing and has a lot of experience with putting the engines to their maximum, to the limit, and to get the most power out of it as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. As we had the intro, I was able to put my hand on this beautiful beast. This will be very interesting one. So we have here in front of us Husqvarna. I don't even know, guys. I have no clue how this is pronounced, but this is 701. What the hell? Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are sitting on Husqvarna, as I said. I don't even know what this is. This is proper hooligans bike. Light, flicky, powerful, torquey as shit. This is incredible. I always wanted to go on a motorcycle like this. This is really special to me because I don't have experience with the motorcycles like this. I have the experience with just the pit bikes, which are training bikes for motorcycle riders who are training for the track. So that's something that you want to do to get yourself back in the saddle after the winter. Those are kind of motorcycles where you are learning again what you forgot during the winter. Ah, it's grunty, it's torquey, it's light. Has really sticky tires on, but we still have, as you can see, kind of spring still. This is not summer, so we have to be careful. And this is not mine, so I have to take care of this, of course. I'm here with my brother King Moto, who is taking his girlfriend for a ride on Triumph Tiger. That's really mature motorcycle which will take you wherever you want. But I am on the opposite side on this motorcycle world right now. This is something that you can have fun on. This is not a motorcycle where you will travel. This is not a motorcycle where you will take a like 800 kilometers fun ride. This is just for hooligans. Kinda easy to get a neutral in. So I'm 182 centimeters tall. I can flat foot, but it's like on the really close side. You can see that my legs are pretty straight. So the saddle is pretty high. Hard as f. This is nothing you want to sit on for a really long time. Brembo brakes. At least the brake lever is Brembo. Jesus, this is so easy to turn. Oh my god. Motocross style. Woo! Like that. So it's really vibey. Vibrations are really noticeable, but you cannot expect anything less out of this motorcycle. This is just pure fun and pure power in a, you know, the most compact way you can imagine. For the sitting position right now in the city, when we have a little bit more time, it's really comfortable. I mean the body position, meaning my hands and my legs. I'm not crunched up. The handlebars are pretty high and they are pretty wide, so that's something which is great for the comfort. The seat, well, is there any seat? Because I feel like I'm sitting on a wooden bench. This has nothing to do with the comfy seat or something like that. You can squeeze yourself front or back. This is really good for technique. So you can put your weight on a front wheel. You can put your weight on a rear wheel just with moving your body. That's something that you can do on Super Sport. You can do on some of the next bikes where you have that space to actually do that. But on a motorcycle like this, on a Supermoto, you have plenty of space behind you, plenty of space in front of you. You can move up and down all the way as you want, to just move the weight, to figure out how to put the weight on the front wheel to turn better, how to put the weight on the rear tire to get the best exit as you want. So this is something I can really imagine to try on a small, let's say, karting track. And that's exactly where I can imagine this motorcycle. But ladies and gentlemen, this motorcycle is Husqvarna 701. So don't take me wrong, this has really big engine in it. How they look like? Oh yeah, I like that. Digging the style. So as far as I remember, might be wrong, might not. 274 horsepower, 76 newton meters of torque. Guys, that's not a small number. It's just really quick and really capable motorcycle. This thing is, gosh, I have a feeling like I can learn so much on this. Like, my level of motorcycle racing or riding would be so much higher if I train on something like this. I just can feel that you can feel every single thing out of this. Liking this. Woo! I'm not looking to the highway because I know just now I'm gonna be struggling. I don't think the speed will be an issue, but this is not built for the highway. Like, it is capable. I'm just doing 70 and it's fine. But 140, we'll see. We'll see. Bear with me, we'll get there. $130, no problem. I see shit in those mirrors. Oh, brakes are so good. Sensitive, precise. It has plenty of power to just cruise around outside the city. The gearbox is so fluent. I want this for Christmas! So we know now that this motorcycle is so capable. I thought it would be slower. Like, honestly, when I was looking at it, I thought it will be slower. It's so easy to ride, man. You don't have a really big TFT screen. You don't have the RPM, actually. You have just the speed. You have the gear indicator, warning light, and a signal, and the turning signal. That's everything what you have. But what else do you need? This is not for traveling. This is not for checking your fuel consumption. This is not for playing with navigation. This is about hauling ass on the doing the wheelie. This is about doing stoppie. This is about training on the closed track. This is just hooligan bike, and you just feel how this pulls. Yeah, it is windy. Obviously, you don't have any windshield. That's why I said it's not really for highway use or any high-speed use. Like, it can handle it, but can you? That's a proper question. Like that, it's so agile. Jeez, it's so agile. The brakes are so good, man. Engine braking is heavier than I thought, so that's a good thing. It's not slow. Ah. Guys, I cannot give you a lot more details, but I'm loving this. I won one for the weekend. I won one for my birthday. This is not this is not King Julio. No. This is Mikey Moto channel. See you.